Hello everyone, welcome to Cat HQ. Over 99% of y'all are not subscribed. Don't forget, if you subscribe, you get a cat treat.
There once was a cat, and the cat was me, and I made a little boat, and I went to sea. My ears perked up, and my paws went down. Oh, meow, my kitty cat, meow. Soon may the milky man come to bring us milk and bring more milk.
Demon, I cast you out with all the might and fury imparted to me by the Messiah! Okay, Frank, you're good now. Do you always stop and stare when people are taking a bath? You pervert!
Why are you doing this?
Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Well, I don't know. I've never really thought about it. Maybe there's something wrong with me. Or maybe I'm addicted to the faint taste of salt on your skin. Or the
Hey, what you got there? Some kitty treat? Wait a minute. Wait, this tastes like some medicine. Oh, hell no. Oh, I know you didn't. Did you just hit me, girl? You just assaulted me, little girl. You don't even seem remorseful about it or nothing. Here. Yeah. How that feel? What you looking at me like that for? You the one hit me first and kick here. Take one more, because you hit me like 4 times. I remember. Yeah.
Stop, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop! Stop! Don't do it! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Bagel, no! Bagel! Bagels! Para, você vai tomar choque!
Te estoy diciendo a ti que te calles y tú te callas.
Oh, yeah, I need some of that. Put some of that on my face. Let me wait a minute. You didn't put nothing on my face. I may be an animal, but I'm not dumb. I got sensitive whiskers. I didn't feel nothing on my face. Hey, you didn't put nothing. Did she drop it or something? You ain't even try. Hey, put some of that on my face. Come on. Yeah. Oh, you thirsty? Hold on. Okay, I got you. Right there. Hold it. Almost. Cut it off. See? That's what I do, baby. I got you, right? Yeah. Anybody else want some?
Oh, there you are, Tail. I've been looking all over for you. I'm gonna just grab you. What the hell is this bag come from? Get the hell off of me. I just can't breathe. Snack time. Oh, God. The bag's stuck on my head. Get it off. Get it off. Help me. I'm gonna be stuck like this forever. Help me get it off, you heartless wing. Stop laughing. This isn't funny. I seriously can't breathe. Help me get diarrhea, you jerk.
Time to go outside, Charlie.
Go outside? What, are you fluffing kidding me? It's freezing out there. What's the temperature?
32.
What? 32 degrees Fahrenheit? I'm not going.
Hey, relax, Terry. I'm not gonna pap you through the cage door. I was just walking by. Die, Fluffy!
What did you do?
What's going on in here? What are you doing? No, you're too young. Oh shit! Sorry.
Hey, what's your issue? Who are you talking to?
Și să nu-i pliculesc cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
É bravinho, mãe, mas é fofinho. Is your catfish your best friend?
What'd you bring me for?
Alright everyone, hope you loved the video and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to think about the fluffy fella.